And today video we are going to learn the QR code scanner or reader and Unity. If you search in Google the QR code and Unity, you get all the result and a search of Google uh, and a package of Unity, it's be bad. But in this video we are going to show that how you are create the QR code scan or reader by using the ZXing library, the ZXing package of C Sharp. So let's get started and create the QR code reader or scanner and Unity. So first open the browser and write here the code with Ilyasoft, and then open this blog which is the code with Ilyasoft, and after that go to the project and click on the Unity. So you will get this post which is and which you will get all the resources of this video. So now go to the Unity and then click on the new and add the project. Enter the name, QR code and Unity by Ilyasoft, and now create the project and now wait till to create the project successfully and Unity. So now project created successfully. So in here we are going to add the two folder. The one is for plugin, and second for scripts. So in plugins we are going to add library which is ZXing. So this library you will get from, go to this blog. This is the code.ilyasoft.blog. So let's me search. Go to the project and click on the Unity and then scroll and click here. So click on this ZXing Unity DLL and download this. Extract, download folder. So now go to the download folder which is this. So now copy the path and then go to Unity, right click and add this assets inside in this folder which is a plugin one. So now the plugin is the library is added which is ZXing.unity. So we are going to add some components, component here, and the component is uh, raw image, background raw image for scan zone, button for mesh pro which is used for the scan QR code, is the label which is used for to show the output of QR code, and that is the object which is used for the QR code reader. So let's add these components. Right click here on sample, or right click here and go to the UI and add the raw image, and raw image is background raw image. Now click this raw image background, go to here and fill the whole area. But before starting to set this background properties, first convert this project settings to the mobile. So now go to this build setting and then select Android, and now connect your mobile device to the computer and then click on this refresh button, then you will get an result. They here the connected device mobile. So now select this, go to the player setting and change some basic properties. I am right here, the company name is Ilyasoft, and right here the name of product is cantt or code reader, and then here set the icons. Now select the Android and go to the other setting, and then remove this and add the this, uncheck this and then scroll down and set the highest and minimum API level. Here is the minimum API level is 19 and the highest one is the install highest API level in this computer in this Unity. So now close, the setting is complete. So then go to this switch platform and click first, check here the device is selected, then go to this switch platform. So now click. So now it's complete. So close this dialog box and now see here the setting is complete, and then go to this and select the 2560 cross 1440 portrait. So then select this background draw image and select to stretch and then go to here and 0 mark as a 0, also this 0, and now see here the screen is fully filled by this background draw image. Then go to canvas, select this and go to the render mode of this the property of canvas and select screen space camera, and then drag this main camera here and then scroll down and use the UI scale mode. Select the scale with the screen size and set this as a 1920 and Y is 0 so this is the resolution of our mobile screen. So now the second, let's right click here and add the button which is used for to scan the QR code. Now remove this button. I am going to add the text mesh pro button. So UI and add this text mesh pro button and import the essential designing of this button. So now wait till to complete this process and then close, and this is the button. So now select button and go to this and it's place in the top of right corner. So select this. Now 0 0 and width is 400 and height is the 200, and then scroll down and select this button and go to this text center. Okay, leave it. Now zoom. Now see here, this is the button. So select this and go to the black, close, and then go to the auto size mode of text property of this button. So this is the 80 and the button is scan. Now see here the button is not showing, so select this button and Y mark is 1 and also this is 1. No, 1 1 and 1. So see the button is visible, is placed in the right corner of the top. The second is a label which is used for showing the result. So text mesh pro, select this text and enter the name is QR code, or mark is the output txt or result txt. Now enter, select this and then this is the new text. Change first the color black, zoom out, see this is the label. Okay, so now select this and go to the anchor property and set in the bottom stretch 0 0 and scroll down and text be on center. Also the auto size mode, and the right is 0 and height is 500. You now see, this is the text. The third one is a scan zone. So right click here and add the scan zone, which is the image. Select image and write the name of this scan zone. Select this and set the height of this and width is 1000. Now see, this is the scan zone. So now go to the color of scan zone and mark it as a red or any color you want. I'm getting this or this. So this is our scan zone. Save all the result, and the last components is the QR code object. So QR code reader. So in QR code, select this and go to transform and reset this. So now go to the scene folder. No, showing script, and right click here and add the script, which is QR code script. And now double click on this script. So this script will be open on the Visual Studio. Now wait, it will be opening. So once this opens successfully, then add some spaces using ZXing, using TM Pro, and also using Unity Engine.UI, and then go to this block and scroll down and copy this code from here. Now copy and then select this section and paste the code. So now here the code is completely set. So these are the field, which is the raw background image, aspect ratio, filter, text out, scan zone, is camera available, and camera texture. This is used for the if camera is available or not. This is the scan zone, this is the text out, and this is the aspect ratio filter, and this is the raw background image, which is used for the camera rendering. So now and start, we will going to set the camera setup, which is the underscore camera texture, webcam texture. So in a camera setup, we are simply getting the camera devices, the camera devices on the mobile, and then check it. If it is equal to 0, it means camera is not available in the device, so it's return and not execute the below code. If camera is available, then it gets the camera, not the front camera, means it's front facing, so equal to false, then get the camera device. So when it is get, the loop will be break and the camera will be play, and assign the camera texture to the texture of raw background image, and the raw background image will show the camera picture. So is camera is cam available is equal to true. If the cam available true, then an update method will check if the camera is available. If not available, it will be returned, and if available, then go to and get the ratio of the camera texture, which is actual the camera device, get their height and width ratio, and then assign the ratio to the aspect ratio of this the ratio filter, and also get the orientation of the video rotation angle, and then we will going to rotate this mm, angle and 3 times to get the image in a mobile screen, top to the top and bottom to the bottom side, because the camera device by default get the image inward. So that's why we are going to set this proper this calculation. So in the last we will set the background image, which is the raw background image, set the transform angles with new vector 0 0 and with the orientation. And the third one, which is the on click scan, means this click, this method will be called on the button click. So in a scan method, because here we are called the scan. So in a scan method, we are simply add the try catch, which is used for getting exception during the scanning. If someone click on the scan button, so I barcode reader is the interface which is used for to get the camera height and width texture and pass it to the camera texture, get pixel 32 and is decode to the text. The barcode will be decoded to text and then check it. If result is not equal to null, it means it get the it's decode the barcode or the QR code. So get the text from the result and show it's in the text out. If is equal to none, then we will fail to read a QR code. If catch it is used for in case of any exception here is occurred, then it will show failed and try. So the code is completed. So now see here, wait for to load this script here. The script is loading. So now the script is loaded. Now select this script and drag on the QR code reader, and then select this QR code. So we will get here the properties of this QR code script. So now this is simply drag and drop. Select this background draw image and also the aspect ratio filter. So now select this background image and scroll down and add components, which is the aspect ratio filter. So ASP, if you will write and search, then you will get this aspect ratio filter. So select this and then go to this property envelope parent, select this and so the changes, and then again go to the QR code reader and drag here and set, then the result and the scan zone. The last is button. If all these components link, so the on button we will call the on click scan method. So click on button and scroll down and on click add the function and QR code reader drag and set here. Okay, and then go to the function and call the on click scan. So it's complete of now. So the changes and file and go to the build setting. Okay, and run the application. Select first the device and then run the application. Write here the name QR code reader or QR code scan, and now save and wait till to run this process completely. Here we are going to deploy this device, this project on our mobile. Application is run successfully. So see here, the application is opening. Now click on allow the give the permission to the video camera permission, and then fit the QR code on scan zone, and now click the scan button. So in the bottom you will here see the result of QR code. So thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe, share and like our videos. Thanks for watching.